Here's how to save TikTok draft video to phone gallery without posting. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can save TikTok draft video to phone gallery without posting it. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first step is very simple. You just need to go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you're inside TikTok, what you need to do is just open up your camera section where you want to record that video, or if you already have that video, just simply go ahead and do that. But I'm just gonna simply go ahead and open up my camera, and right over here you can just simply record the video, and I'm just gonna record it right away. And once you record it, just basically press done. And here, as you can see, the video is running. But now what you have to do is just press on this arrow over here, and you'll see the option of save. So if you press save from here, as you can see, you haven't even posted this video, and this video has directly been on your profile. And here, as you can see, and this is actually a simple way, but if you want to do it more and you want to do more into it, you can just simply press next, and then just simply go ahead and press on only you, and then press. Once you post the video, it will go to your only you section, and right over here you can download the video by just pressing on these three dots and press save video. But the first one was way more convenient, and this is how simple as it gets. And yeah, this is actually it on how you can save TikTok draft video to phone gallery without posting. So I hope this video actually helps you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.